What is going on, guys? It's Just here, got another pack of Fusion Strike, so let's get right into it today. I am always super excited to open a pack of Fusion Strike. Here is the code card for anybody who is interested, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. As always, let's see what we get today. We got that Fighting Energy. Let's see what we got in here. We got a Meowth, just normal. We got a Meryl. We got a Wooloo. We got an Absol, and we got an Electros. Alright, guys, I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.